Dear Muslims born into Islam, imagine waking up every morning for suhoor alone. Imagine living in a home where no one is fasting because they are not Muslims. Imagine not being able to tell your family you're a Muslim because you fear the consequences. Imagine becoming the outsider at work because you don't join colleagues for lunch anymore. Imagine struggling to fast because you have never done it before. Imagine not having someone to talk to about the difficulties you are going through. Imagine opening your fast alone because you don't have any Muslim family or friends. Imagine the people who helped you become a Muslim no longer answer your calls. Imagine the few Muslim friends you have are too busy to remember you exist. Imagine going to the mosque and being treated like an outcast. Imagine attending gatherings and feeling like you don't fit in. Imagine seeing others smiling and hugging each other while you feel a sad, empty pit in your stomach. Imagine wishing you had your own Muslim family or just someone to talk to. Imagine having feelings of loneliness and depression every night. Imagine thinking about leaving Islam because there is no one to help you. This is Ramadan for new Muslims. Muslims born into Islam, you were there when we became Muslim. Please don't turn your back on us now that we have no one. From the new Muslims in your community, Assalamu alaikum.